Delhi is our capital city of our country. But nowadays, Delhi people very suffocation patient day by day. This situation is a very cruel situation and a difficult situation create will be any time because of air pollution controlling, not controlling the government. Pollution is a very huge, pathetic condition day by day creating in Delhi. All the people's day by day suffocation patient become and another disease affected the people's day by day. Lot of people's dying and dying anywhere in Delhi. These situations not control the government. That is why I am request for you all the administration system should interfere emergency solve this problem.